Hi everyone, today is a Mondeo modified. This is what it looks like. This is the matching wire and accessories. This is the disassembly tool that needs to be used. We use a tool to remove the ring panel at the position of the gate lever. Then remove this little silver U-shaped panel. Now we're going to remove this big silver trim panel. We unscrew the screws that fix the button panel and use tools to remove the button panel. Unplug all the plugs on the back. We unscrew all the screws fixing the original car main unit and the original car screen. Take down the original car main unit and the original car screen. Unplug all the wires on the back of them. The necessary places have been removed. We now connect the two plugs of the button panel to the air conditioner panel. Now we connect the plug on the power cord. This is the original car radio and the original car USB cable. We also need to connect it. We connect other network antenna, GPS antenna, USB cable, RCA cable, camera cable to the new car radio. Then connect the cable that was connected to the original car to the new car radio. The wire connection is complete. Now we install it. After fixing it, let's not install it all. Let's debug the protocol first. Note that selecting the protocol for the first time requires the new car radio to be connected to the network. After the commissioning is completed, we will install the silver decorative strip and other small panels back. This is the effect of the installation. Now let's experience the function. You can touch to control the air conditioner. You can use the steering wheel buttons to control the volume of the sound, switch songs and videos, and return to the interface. Support reversing radar. 12.1-inch big screen viewing experience. Support GPS map navigation. Go anywhere. Support DSP to adjust the sound quality of car horns. Support Bluetooth phone. Door open reminder. Support browser internet search. Of course, the most important thing is to support Carplay Android Auto. Just need to connect via Bluetooth. You can use the voice assistant to operate. You can make calls, listen to songs, map navigation, etc. More rich functions of the product are waiting for you to experience. Welcome your comments. Thank you for watching.